The electrical vehicle market is projected to grow exponentially in the coming years. With the ever-increasing power density of battery cells, the manufacturing process faces some tough challenges. This is especially true for the interconnections of the individual battery cells. These are referred to as bus bars. These metal tabs are welded to the positive and negative terminals. Typically, this is done either by resistance welding or laser welding. Problems in the weld process can lead to weak weld connections that can cause power loss or even start a battery fire. MoviTHERM has a thermal camera-based inspection solution for testing the weld strength of these battery terminals. What you can see here is the metal tabs being welded onto the battery terminals. A brighter yellow spot indicates a higher temperature and therefore a bad weld. MoviTHERM's battery weld inspection solution can be integrated into the manufacturing process to assure 100% inspection. Inspecting for bad welds significantly reduces the chance for battery failure. Please do not hesitate to contact us with any of your opportunities. To learn more about MoviTHERM, make sure to visit our website and YouTube channel. We look forward to working with you.